Broccoli, ginger and cocoa reduce inflammation smoothie recipe. Here's a simple recipe that combines broccoli, ginger, and cocoa to create a delicious and anti-inflammatory smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup broccoli florets, fresh or frozen. 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 ripe banana. 1 cup almond milk, or any other plant-based milk of your choice. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, for added sweetness. Ice cubes, optional, for a colder smoothie. Instructions: wash the broccoli florets thoroughly and steam them until they are tender. If using frozen broccoli, follow the package instructions to thaw it. Peel and grate the fresh ginger. You can adjust the amount of ginger to your taste preferences, but make sure it's enough to provide its anti-inflammatory benefits. In a blender, combine the steamed broccoli, grated ginger, unsweetened cocoa powder, ripe banana, and almond milk. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, you can add honey or maple syrup to taste. However, keep in mind that the ripe banana may already add some natural sweetness. Blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth and creamy texture. If you want a colder smoothie, you can add some ice cubes and blend again. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy your nutritious and anti-inflammatory treat. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like sulforaphane. Ginger contains gingerol, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Cocoa contains flavonoids, which also possess anti-inflammatory effects. Combining these ingredients into a smoothie makes for a tasty and health-promoting beverage. Please note that while these ingredients may have anti-inflammatory properties, it's essential to maintain a balanced and varied diet for overall health. If you have any specific health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian.